Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and today I'm heading out to dinner, an early dinner with Mommy and Olivia. Dinner is at 2:30, so I'm heading there now. It is at the R Hotel in New Kingston. It's District 5 is the name of the restaurant. It's one of those hot new restaurants. Well, it's not that new, but it's one of those, hot restaurants, great decor, great for taking photos. That is there, and Mommy really likes the menu. We gave her different menu options for her birthday dinner, and that was the one that she chose. So I am going to meet up with Mommy and Olivia right about now, and then we'll see how the day goes. All right, let me just put on my seatbelt. I have my mask ready. Today I'm going for a black mask, to match my outfit, because I'm wearing a black outfit. And let's get ready to go. Oh, before I go, right, let's give a shout out to the subscriber of the day who'll be listed right here. Thank you so much for your continued support, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you, and let's continue to grow this channel together. All right, let's go.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day. If I may, may. I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may.
Alright, lovely. So I made it to the restaurant with Mommy and Olivia. They're playing some copyrighted music, so you won't be hearing what they're playing at the moment. But here what I got for appetizer. I got some soup. It was red pea soup without any meat, and I'm just enjoying my warm soup before I get into my meal. So it's time for the main course, and Olivia and I got pretty much something similar. She got the chicken fettuccine alfredo, and I got the shrimp. And Mommy got some oxtail with some sweet mashed potatoes and some vegetables.
think we have another birthday.